Hi guys, I'm Kamini
And I'm Vinayak.
and we are Podniti
Podniti.
and this is our podcast.
Yes.
Welcome to our podcast.
This section of the podcast we call this as Gay Talks.
GT for short.
GT for sure.
And
We just roam around the car. We meet once a week on the weekends.
or once a month.
Once a month. This time it's happening after a month.
Yeah.
So yeah, and we eat for sure.
A lot.
Start with eating, and then we do the brain thing where we think what do we have to speak
About.
and yes, and then so we sit in the car, we yap.
And if you've
Yes.
been with us so far, this is our
The
Gary
two-digit
talk.
followers that we have,
The nice friends that
the
follow.
nice friends that has followed. Yes.
And if you've been with us so far, you've seen this is the second episode of Gary Talks, where it's not based on theme. We don't talk about serious stuff. It's just us
bhai.
and
Everyone
our
is doing
things.
it, bhai. So why don't
Yeah,
you also do it?
it's more like
You
a
also
personal diary thing for us at this point. But
Actually,
yeah, but okay. So Vinayak, let's start with our favorite section, which is what's the update? Weekly update, Vinayak. Give us the
this time it has
details.
become the monthly update.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So the update is there has been a new addition in the family.
His.
My family. So my chachu had a kid. My chachi had a kid.
Chachu and Chachi.
Chachu and chachi, they had a boy. And I think after we are clapping also.
Lovely,
I think
lovely.
after 18 years there has been a new addition in the family.
So good.
You know.
Yeah. And I think if you're seeing us clap and wondering why we're clapping at the birth of somebody else's child,
We're turning 30, guys.
yeah,
We have to clap.
it's just nice if somebody's having a child.
And not us.
Not us. I think that's a big part, but it's
So it's a nice thing ना.
Yeah.
Parents की age बढ़ जाती है. I
Age
live in
बढ़
a
जाती
joint.
है?
अरे भाई,
Oh,
because
valid. Like, they get younger. Fair.
They get younger.
Valid. But I think also because as a younger person, I didn't really care for kids, and I know controversial take, but I was not one of those people that would go up and like, oh, or kids and stuff. They're nice, they're good from a distance, but I'm not one of those kid people, or even like I would not go and like touch somebody else's kid. I'm
I
not.
will not touch, but I'm a kid.
No, I'm not
I
a
like
kid
kids.
person. But once you have one in your vicinity and you see, like, I think Vinayak has this great photo where his thumb.
The kid's feet is so small. It's just this much. I have clicked a picture with my thumb
Yeah.
beside his.
I think just like the newborn baby is such a. Like, you get why people are hopeful and happy and optimistic about the world. Because it's just a joy. But yes, it's
Yes,
a great
mom.
update.
Moving on, thank you.
Congratulations, Vinayak.
Moving on, what's yours?
My update has been.
I've been flying around. Yeah. Come on, start.
No, okay. So October was mad hectic. I was traveling for like every
Sleep.
weekend. I was traveling. The first weekend I was in Mysore. The second I was in Bangalore for work, and then third, which is what my update is about, guys, is I was
Goa.
in Goa.
Zing.
But it was
As soon as
mild
Goa
fun.
comes, I get excited.
Valid.
Our update
He's
is
a
I'm
little.
like Goa.
He's a little premature, but
But I have stories of Goa
Goa is okay. So
that I can't share.
I'm sure everybody has one of those, but I don't have any story I can't share because Goa, I was there for work. I did not anticipate my work would be about half an hour, and so practically Friday the entire day, and so Saturday I was flying back late night, so like 48 hours in Goa, and I stayed. I had so many people give me such great
But you have
advice,
been to Goa, na?
like on
Se
school
pehle.
trip, like
Achha.
very long ago. So my idea of Goa is I've never been a Goa person.
But everyone's
And
idea of Goa is beach unless someone
yeah,
has
and even growing up,
explored
I
it.
heard like I saw Goa as a kid and even as like a young adult, and it was just I did not enjoy the idea of Goa because I was like beach, booze, party, and some belly
That's what
dancer
it's
dancing
portrayed
on
now.
table. But the Goa I saw and experienced because of the lovely recommendations my friends gave me. Shout out Anushka and Bansali for the wonderful ideas. Just the food, the amount of food I've consumed, and the amount I've spent
Insane amount of money.
on food was
Before coming here, while
insane.
we were eating, she was just showing me pictures and like, you know how much I spent on this. And she's like, you know, I've never spent this much on food. And I was like, bro,
Oh
what the
God.
hell? I'll do this.
Yeah, because so the same thing in Delhi probably costs like 16K or something if you have like a 8 course fancy dinner at a restaurant that's listed on a
But,
fancy list.
but yours was the list thing, na?
Yeah, it was on the Condé Nast list.
I can't even pronounce it.
Condé Nast. It's not that difficult. Come on. But it was on the
Condé
Condé
Nast.
Nast. It's great places. It's insane and it was too good. It's experience of a lifetime. For sure, Goa for food is now one of my top recommendations.
This so we have this weekly food recommendation that we are thinking of doing. We have been doing it.
Because we eat anyway, so
Anyway.
might as well showcase.
And we have this thing कि एक जगह दोबारा नहीं खाना है because there are a lot of places to cover.
True.
है ना?
Amen.
क्या हुआ अगर पूरी मेन्यू कवर नहीं कर पाए?
हाँ.
जगह तो गए.
और मेन्यू में भी हाफ एंड हाफ तो मिल ही जाता है.
मिल जाता है. So Kamini took me to this San Churros Chocolateria San Churros.
Let's go GK.
Bhai crazy.
It's too
I
good.
have this thing I have to tell. Whenever you order the churros there, eat it after 5 minutes. Let the crisp
Come alive.
come alive. Yes.
Come alive, yeah.
Because they serve you it's piping hot and then it's not that crispy. After you eat it, when you eat it after 5 minutes, it's
just perfect. And yeah, it's a great place. Highly recommend. It's called Chocolateria San Churros. It's right on the corner in GK2. And it's just great. Do go if you get the chance. And it's open till 2. It's a very quiet, nice, chill place to go, especially in the winters. To have fun for that. But talking about food obsessions, let's talk about your latest obsession, Vinayak. What is your latest obsession been?
I bought an iPad like 2-3 weeks back.
Was it on Zepto?
No.
Thank God.
मेरे को डर लगती है भाई मेरे को ईटा पत्थर दे देंगे
Valid.
और मेरे को पैसे नहीं वापस मिले तो मैं क्या करूँगा? What will I tell my parents?
वही ईटा और पत्थर मिलेगा वापस. But okay, why is the iPad your obsession? What are you doing on the iPad?
Nothing. I'm just doing everything. I have connected my phone with my iPad, so my call also comes on my iPad, and I pick it from my iPad. There is no phone ka icon. It's a Wi-Fi iPad. No phone ka icon. I'm just doing it. Everything I'm doing it there, and I'm using the pencil, writing. Right? There's nothing to write. Just doing doodling and everything.
Wow.
This is the current obsession. I think so. New gadget.
Valid. Yeah. Goes away a little while later.
Tell me, what's yours?
Obsession. So I got into reading, but then
You have always been in reading.
yes, but I stopped reading for a bit. Shut up. So I stopped reading. I became one of those fancy readers that would buy a lot of books but never have the time
You have
to
a
read them.
library in your house. Come
I
on.
do, but I never had the time to read, and I still don't. But
Yeah,
because
because your company sends you on work trips every weekend you are out. That's why I don't have time to read.
I didn't. And but because I was so like on my own, I had so much time. I started binging the series called Kurukshetra on Netflix. It's an animated series about
Are you
Mahabharat.
just watching or just chilling?
No, I just finished.
I was going to say, are you just Netflixing or chilling?
I am not Netflixing and chilling. I'm just
Just
watching it on Netflix and not chilling with myself or anybody else. But it's Kurukshetra. It's about gods. Can we not make it dirty? But okay. Yeah, and it's great. I think that's my latest obsession. Just like small trivias and things that you didn't know about Mahabharat because there's so many backstories, so many characters, so many linkages. So all of that has been I've been reading about so much about Mahabharat recently, and it's been great.
They made a new AI series. Something I saw. There was this ad on
Yeah, on
Hotstar.
Hotstar, Geo Hotstar.
The all powerful powered AI something on
Yeah, I think
Mahabharata.
it's completely AI, and the tea about that, Vinayak, is that it sucks.
Really?
Yes, and I'm sure this will get back to me at some point, but honestly, after, because I probably also saw it back to back, I saw
Oh.
Kurukshetra, and I think at this point, 2 episodes of that AI series has come out, and it is so bad. Like, anybody who's seen it, please just send me validation in the comments saying I'm not the only one that thinks it's that bad, but
Bhai, ho gaya,
it's
bhai.
very
Too
bad.
much sweet. I can't eat this.
No
Do you want to eat?
shit. No thanks. मैं देख के बेहोश हो रही हूँ.
Actually, the white chocolate got over.
And yeah, that's been my obsession. And just you can skip the Geo. I'm going to watch it anyway because I'm a Mahabharat Paglu at the moment. But yeah, I think it's not great, the AI one. And so that's been our weeks up until now.
That's
And
it. I think
so, do you have any gyan left for
Gyan
the
left. Gyan left.
GT?
I have
Second
I have
episode of GT.
a lot of Gyan to give.
And that was Giri Talks 2, guys.
Yes.
We hope you had fun.
We had.
We did. And before we crash from the
Sugar rush.
sugar rush,
Butter rush.
maida rush, honestly,
Maida
at this
rush.
point, and die, I think we
We should
should.
head back home. Please drop me.
I will. I'm
Yes.
done now. All right. See you later. Please stay tuned for the next episodes coming out this week.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.